we celebrate Christmas this year, I want to bring you C4I Christmas greetings. And I can think of no better place than to bring them from here, from Bethlehem of Judea. You can see in the hills behind me the buildings of Bethlehem. Bethlehem is really Beit Lechem, which is house of bread. And of course the shepherd's fields all around here were full of the angels of the heavenly host who came down that first Christmas night and with song celebrated the birth of the newborn king. Bethlehem of Judea, exactly as the prophets had said. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government will be upon his shoulder. That's worth celebrating. So from C4I to your home, to your family, have a very Merry Christmas, all the way from here in Bethlehem of Judea.